In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the cryptocurrency converter on CoinMarketCap. To access the cryptocurrency converter on CoinMarketCap, start by opening your browser and going to the CoinMarketCap homepage. Once you are on the homepage, locate the More option in the menu. Click on More to open the drop-down menu. From the available options, select Converter. After clicking Converter, you will be taken to the cryptocurrency converter page. This page allows you to select the currencies you want to convert. On the converter page, you will see two fields. Enter the cryptocurrency or currency you want to convert from in the first field. In the second field, enter the cryptocurrency or currency you want to convert to. You can choose different types of currencies, including cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. Select the currencies you need and enter the amount you want to convert. After entering the currencies, the converter will automatically calculate the equivalent value using the latest exchange rates. You can use the converter to check different cryptocurrency conversions, such as one cryptocurrency compared with another cryptocurrency or a cryptocurrency compared with a fiat currency. To perform another conversion, simply change the currency selections in the available fields and check the updated result. The cryptocurrency converter uses data from CoinMarketCap to provide current conversion values. After selecting your currencies, review the calculated amount shown on the page. Using the converter only requires a few simple actions. Open the converter from the More menu, select the currencies, enter the values, and view the conversion result. You can repeat this process whenever you need to check different cryptocurrency conversion values on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.